Hi, good day everyone. My name is Arnel B. Loja from San Miguel, Tagudin, Ilocos Sur. I'm 28 years old, single, and I am Catholic. I'm undergraduate of Bachelor of Science in Agribusiness Management at Don Mariano Marcos Memorial State University. I have work experience as a houseboy in Philippines for 2 years, and I started my first work experience January 9, 2018 up to December 11, 2020. I served 6 members in the family, including mom and sir, and their 4 children. My main duties and responsibilities are cleaning, gardening, car wash, pet care, and cooking. My second experience is also houseboy in the Philippines for 2 years, and I started to work to my second employer March 10, 2021 up to January 13, 2023, and I serve five family members, including mom and sir, 1 old man, and 2 children. My third work experience is cook in the resto bar here in Philippines. I started to work to my third employer December 8, 2023 up to January 28, 2024. My main duties and responsibilities are marketing and cooking. To my future employer, if you hire me as your helper, I promise I will do my best. I will finish my contract. I'm hardworking, honest, and respectful. I'm willing to learn a lot of things, and I want to hire because I want to help my family. Thank you and God bless.